Tell me what to do.
Oh, it's recording now.
Quick, go.
I'm going.
Go, quick.
Wait for me.
We'll be able to edit this anyway.
Quick, go. Yeah.
Edit the start out.
As long as it doesn't run out of memory. How long does it go? Oh, yeah.
Who's doing the countdown?
I don't know. 3, 2,
No, seriously,
1.
do a ceremony. Got to do a countdown.
Just do it. Fuck.
You do it.
Here, like, oh, I don't know. Fuck. Yeah, close your ears. This ball's going off. Fuck, man, it bounced. I didn't get to look, lucky we videoed it. It's still sitting there, recording it. Good work!